Good afternoon. Hello, everyone. George Gillis Jr. here. And I wanted to show you guys this system and copy and paste member to member system that allows you to make $15 to $100 a day easily by copy and pasting ads online, like safe lists, mailers, social media, Instagram, anywhere that you can find free traffic that will get you signups from a low paying initial entry fee of $15 one time is the Easy Leads and Cash system. This system, when I found it, I read over everything, I watched all the videos, and then I joined. When I joined, I paid my $15 to my actually coach right now who brought me through the program. And me and him have been working close at hand. And when he showed me how I can instantly start getting signups to the Easy Leads and Cash system. Now, this is the thing about this Easy Cash and Leads system, is that this system is called the ELAC system. And what it does is that you could make $15 to $200 per day. You see here where I got it highlighted in blue. And the places you promote it is on safe lists, environmentalists, class ad sites, forums, social media, and earn $15 to $200 a day per day easily. And you got the steps to get plugged into this system. You'll get this same page to the members area, because see here, this is the members area where you can get your links and everything, and the pages done for you, your account details and everything, and it'll walk you step by step. Everything's going to be, pages are hard coded to you, and this system here works. Now, in order for this to work, you need another system also, which is free to join. This is called Leadsleap. I built this sales page here for myself to, you see my computer's kind of slowing down a little bit, but I created this flood your business with endless free traffic, leads, and sales. And this is the ELAC system. Once you get access to this, you can start making $15 to $184 per lead, posting ads on social media. $15 right straight to your Cashapp, Skrill, Google Pay, PayPal, coin payments, anything that's listed on here. But I prefer Cashapp, because if you have a Cashapp card, you can send the money right to me and then email me. Any sponsor that puts you through has this payment option. But Cashapp is why they call it Easy Leads and Cash, and you have Cashapp attached to it where it instantly goes into your account, member to member. No third party, no website owners, or nobody to get the payments. And all the stuff will be sent to you within 12 to 48 hours. Normally faster, because if I see I got a lead, I get them set up with the system. I have a couple of emails in place that's going to give you the links to try to get started and what you want to do. And I built this page. What you want to do is come to this page. You see the proof on here. You can build this same page with proof that, you know, the system works. These are some payments that came in. This is what I use mainly is Cashapp, but I have Skrill and GPay on here. And this is how you get access to the Easy Leads and Cash here now. More proof. Inbox. My Gmail inbox blows up every single day through this, you know, this system that somebody's coming in, signing up, and then you can join Leadsleap here for free. This is a platform that allows you to set the pages up and start marketing and use your autoresponder to build your list. Now, the number one thing we want to do is build our list. Exactly. Because building your list gives you an opportunity to mail to those leads over and over again with some other opportunity. something that to grow your business. But you come in and you can get these payments every single day. And plus on the back end, I'm going to give you a free ebook, a report that's going to show you how to get signups. All you have to do is click the button at the bottom here and get it now. And it'll open up in a web page, and it'll automatically for you to download right to your computer. You read this and follow the step-by-step tutorial on how to get leads and how to, get signups to any business that you may be in. Now, the easy leads and cash copy paste system is the easiest system that I've ever seen that get instant pay system. And then you need, like I say, you need Leadsleap, because you plug all of this into Leadsleap and you can build your list from inside of Leadsleap, or you could have your own autoresponder connected to it. You'll have all the step-by-step training, how to go through it and everything, and see how you want to come in and start getting leads. After you join Easy Leads and Cash, you'll get all the info emailed to you. Then you go and sign up. You go back and you sign up for Leadsleap. You get your free Leadsleap account. It's free forever. You can upgrade, but you don't have to. You can start building your pages, connecting your autoresponder, and start promoting your pages to get the same thing that I'm getting in my inbox. And you can get payments, instant payments right to your Cashapp, Skrill, whatever you got. Whatever payment option you use. You could even use PayPal, to get these instant payments. The customer and so on. You know what I'm saying? The easiest system that I've ever seen since I've been alone, and I've been a marketer for over 5 years now. I've been online promoting different products. As far as ClickBank products, I've promoted JVZoo products. I've promoted Warrior Plus. I've created some products of my own that I have sold. I've done ebook. I've done affiliate marketing, creating videos. You get a chance, you Google my YouTube channel. You can go to my channel. I got nothing but videos on there, and hit the like and share and subscribe button, and hit the notifications if you like the videos that I'm putting up. This is an awesome system. This here will put instant cash into your pocket. If you're low on cash, you can promote it a little bit, get 4 or 5 cents. That's $100 a day. $100 a day, you could make this system work for you. Now, this is the simple thing of the easy leads and cash system that will allow you to make money over and over again by copying a few ads here and there. And this page and everything was created by a good friend of mine who was my mentor back in the day, which is Marvin Williams. And we've been in touch over the years, and we've helped each other. And he showed me how to work this system, and everything is given to you where you can get instant pay. And then you can go, like I say, go over to this page. Once you get to the sales page, you'll see my sales page here with all the notifications of instant payments. This is proof here. Watch this video here. And then, excuse me, you can go on down and get your free ebook that I'm going to give you as a bonus. It don't cost you nothing extra for that. But to join Easy Leads and Cash, you need to join from this button. And this button will take you to the system that when you click it, it's going to open up in a new page. And that new page is going to go right to how to sign up. It just give you a few minutes. It's going to load up here real quick if I can show you what this is. It may go to another website, the Easy Leads and Cash that I have connected to it. So it'll open up, and then this is the page that I'm promoting, and it'll start. You'll get to this page, and you can see what it takes. You can see the proof that they got on here, instant $15 payments. They show you exactly step by step. This is what you'll get access to once you join Easy Leads and Cash. Now, I enjoy making videos to help somebody else, because somebody else is not fortunate enough to know how to easily copy and paste simple little ads to get people to sign up to a business that allow you to make money. They have a little calculator in here and what your monthly income would be. Now this is set for 2. Now you see this, 2 sales, your daily income is $30. And if you get 2 sales times $15 per sale, that's $900 a month instantly. And all you have to do is 60 minutes to 90 minutes of simple work and make money like this all day long. You know, from a one-time $15 system over and over again. Now, if you want this opportunity, all you have to do is just join us and my team at Cashflow. And then in Cashflow, easy money. And you can get involved today. So you guys be blessed. When you see this page, you can get involved with Easy Leads and Cash today. You guys have a blessed day.